Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to save posts to your bookmarks in the Truth Social app on your mobile device. This feature allows you to easily access and revisit your favorite posts whenever you like. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Next, browse through your feed to find the post you wish to save. Once you've located it, look beneath the post for the Save icon. Then, tap on the Save icon. This action will add the post to your bookmarks, making it easy to find later. Finally, to view your saved posts, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. From the menu that appears, select Bookmarks. Here, you'll see all the posts you've saved, organized in the order they were added. That's all there is to it. Now you can effortlessly save and access your favorite posts on Truth Social. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.